This week in U.S. immigration news, we are going to cover new consulate locations for Russian nationals, US's changes for affirmative asylum applications, upholds BIA's determination that visa fraud waiver could not overcome grounds for petitioner's removal, ICE allows online payment for bond. Due to the suspension of immigrant visa services at the U.S. Embassy in Moscow in April 2021, DOS formally designated Russian nationals as homeless nationals and designated the U.S. Embassy in Warsaw, Poland as the immigrant visa processing post for nationals and residents of Russia. Since that time, Poland and EU countries have restricted entry of Russian nationals into their countries, which has created obstacles in visa processing for Russian nationals. On February 16, 2023, DOS added the U.S. Embassy Tashkent in Uzbekistan, and the U.S. Consulate General Almaty in Kazakhstan as processing posts for Russian IR-5, parent of a U.S. citizen, immigrant visa applicants. IR-5 immigrant visa appointments are scheduled through the National Visa Center. Once a Russian IR-5 petition is approved by USCIS and transferred to NVC, it should be designated for processing at either of these alternative posts. A designation by DOS does not prevent Russian applicants from applying at another post where they are physically present or residing. It is our understanding that 4 applicants in the IR-5 category who have not yet been scheduled for interview will be automatically reassigned from Warsaw to Tashkent or Almaty by NVC for processing. Once the case is documentarily qualified and post is ready for interview, as is the norm, the applicant will be notified by NVC once their appointment is on the calendar. USCIS announced a change in the filing location for certain affirmative asylum applications submitted by mail. There is also a new edition of Form I-589 in that applicants no longer need to submit passport-style photos, multiple copies of the form, or multiple copies of supporting documentation. Affirmative applicants means people who do not have removal proceedings in court. Immigrants contended that the BIA erred in holding that the visa fraud waiver could not overcome the petitioner's grounds for their removal and also raised a due process claim and issues the BIA did not address. Unfavorable to them, the Fifth Circuit Court decided that the visa fraud waiver did not reach the petitioner's grounds for removal, that it lacked jurisdiction over the claims the BIA did not reach, and that the petitioners failed to show a violation of their due process rights. Accordingly, the court dismissed the case. This is why we recommend you to not lie or misrepresent for an immigration benefit. On April 20th, 2023, ICE launched a new web-based system that allows users to post cash immigration bonds for detained non-citizens. The new system is called Say Bonds. ICE will continue to allow in-person posting of cash bonds after June 1st, 2023. However, ICE strongly encourages individuals to use Say Bonds as the goal is to eventually have all payments online. The system will require obligors to make a payment at a bank using FedWire or an ACH to conduct the electronic funds transfer.
Friends, show us some love and smash the like button. It doesn't cost you anything. If you have an immigration problem or need a second opinion because you cannot get a hold of your own lawyer, schedule a meeting with our team. Share information with our CARES team and they will help you get scheduled with our legal team. Now here's a secret code to unlock the free 15 minutes.